Hey guys, today we are continuing to talk about adaptations, and today is a special lesson because we're learning about fossils. So far we've talked about physical adaptations, that's how animals look on the outside, including mimicry, trying to look like another animal, and camouflage, looking like the surroundings. And we've also learned about behavioral adaptations like hibernation, migration, dormancy, and stuff like that. We've also learned about instinct, right? And learned behavior, being taught certain behaviors. But today, like I said, we are talking about fossils. So by the end of today, you'll be able to explain how fossils show adaptations of animals over time and in their specific environment. And you'll be able to write about the importance of fossils and showing adaptations and what the environment was like around them. So what are fossils? Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of organisms that lived in the past. Fossils can be used to understand events and environments. For animal or plant remains to become fossilized, to become fossils, they must go through a process that preserves them for millions of years after they have died. So keeps them safe for millions of years after they've died. You would think it'd be destroyed, but they have to go through something that keeps them intact so that we can see them today. So, something else to note is that the people who study fossils are called paleontologists. Paleontologists help preserve or keep safe a fossil. They are keeping it safe from being destroyed because it's easy to break it apart because they're so old. But today what we're really talking about is adaptations and fossils. So what do adaptations and fossils have to do with each other? Well, before we can get there, we have to talk about a theory called evolution. Evolution is an idea, but it's got lots of evidence with it. It explains why animals and plants are so good at surviving in their environments, the places where they live. What it means is that a species or a certain kind of animal or plant changes over time. So evolution is a species changing over time. Plants and animals changing over time. Evolution shows how animals have adapted over time. The fossils show us the adaptations that have gone on as animals have evolved and adapted to their environment. So now we're going to watch this video. Click to the next slide to watch it.